Good morning, gentlemen. Good afternoon, good evening, depends of the country you are watching us from. So this morning here in Nigeria, we are going to do a fresh installation, and we want to carry those of our followers along. We are using C25 watt solar panel. We are using 30. So that 30, what are we going to generate? For some of you that have been asking me question online, just times 625 times 30 pieces of the solar panel that we are going to install. From there, you will get the kilowatt that you are going to generate. And we're also using three 15 kilowatt lithium battery. So times each by the numbers of battery, it will give you 45 kilowatt. So this is actually the preparation we have done. So in this place, we are going to put 10. First and foremost, before you start your installation, you have to check you use your compass to check your direction where the sun is setting. Just know that it's very important so that in the afternoon towards 2 o'clock you will not back sun, so you will not back sun there. You will not have a shadow, and also check where you are putting your profile ray. If you can see, this is the space that we have. If you can check this building, so we are actually getting side, we are getting away from the wall. Just please, because we are getting away from the wall, because we know okay, please come, we know towards the afternoon there are going to be shadow, so that is why we are staying clear away from the wall. So just follow us on this installation. We are going to be putting step by step how we are going to do this installation. This is the profile array where we are going to use our these are the profile array where we are going to use our bolt with wide washer to screw. Before you start cutting, you just have to take your measurement of the panel. You have to take the width and the length before you cut. You instead for you to start wasting your material, maybe getting very long profile array, spreading it. No, you just what you do, you just have to check the size of your panel, then you cut. If it's much, maybe you want to put like a four, just like this. Like this, we have six. This we have six pieces. We have six pieces that is coming here. That is why we just take the measurement of the panel, then we cut and keep space. We cut and also keep space. What you just need to do is just for you to cut so that you have you can sit on this place. So that is what we are doing. So just follow us on our page. You will understand and know the principle of installation. And if you also ask any question, please just write us. Our team is here to equally support you, and that is to give you all the assistance for you to achieve your job. Thank you, and remain blessed.